Hello everyone, and welcome to a tutorial on how to prepare your Rhino model before importing it in Maverick Excelsior. Excelsior expects models to be organized in Rhino layers, as each layer will be used to assign a different material in the Excelsior editor. Gemstone layers must feature the word gem somewhere in their name. Here for example we have a central gem and the secondary gems. Metal layers must feature the word metal somewhere in their name. In this example the whole ring body sits in a single metal layer. Likewise, if the model had pearls, their layer name should feature the word pearl. Another key thing to keep in mind is that the model must be presented in vertical position. Maverick Excelsior provides a feature to later set the model's pose, but for this work, the model must be given in a vertical pose. Last, although not mandatory, it is good practice to center the model in the scene. To do this, just select the geometry and set its position to 0. Then use the Zoom to Extents tool. If you work with Matrixgold, or Rhinogold, all these requirements are most likely met without you having to do anything special. In order to save the 3DM file from Rhino, go to the File menu and use the Save or Save As option. Make sure to not enable the Save Small option, or Excelsior will import an empty file. Note that all these steps are described in detail in the Docs area in the Excelsior website. Now that the 3DM model is ready, let's go to the Excelsior editor. Once the UI is ready, use the Import button or drag and drop the model on the editor window. Here's our ring in Excelsior. On the right panel, we can see the model's materials organized by layers. As you can see, the Gem 01 and Gem 02 layers have been initialized with the default diamond material. Let's change the first one to an emerald and leave the second one as is. Let's also change the default white gold metal to another type of metal. Finally, let's explore the automatic pose system to see what it can do. Go to Settings, and in the Pose Rollup choose Resting 2, which will lay the model horizontally. We will cover these and other scene configuration steps in more detail in a further, more extensive tutorial. That's all for now. See you in the next one.